In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xero Verify in Xero. By the end, you'll have multi-factor authentication turned on using Xero's own verification app, adding a strong extra layer of protection to your account while keeping sign-ins quick and convenient. Start on your Xero dashboard, already signed in. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon, which usually shows your initials. Click that. This opens a small menu where you can access personal and security settings tied to your Xero identity. It's a simple place to manage details that affect how you log in and keep your account secure. From that menu, click Account. This takes you to your Xero identity page where security options live. If this opens in a new tab or window, that's normal. You're in the right spot when you can see information about your profile and the security settings that control your sign-in experience. Next, find the multi-factor authentication section and click Set Up. Multi-factor authentication, often called MFA, adds a second checkpoint when you log in, something you have, like your phone, in addition to your password. It dramatically reduces the risk of unauthorized access, and the setup only takes a moment. When prompted to choose an authentication method, click Use Xero Verify. Xero Verify is the official app designed to work seamlessly with your Xero account. It supports quick push notifications so you can approve sign-ins with a tap, which is both secure and fast. Make sure your mobile device is nearby and unlocked so you can move through this part smoothly. You'll now see a QR code on your computer screen. Open the Xero Verify app on your phone and use it to scan the QR code shown in your browser. Hold your camera steady so the code fits clearly in the frame. Scanning links your phone to your Xero account for MFA. If the scan doesn't register right away, adjust the distance slightly or ensure your screen brightness is adequate, then try again. Once the app recognizes the code, it will add your Xero account and be ready to send approval prompts whenever you sign in. That's it. You've enabled Xero Verify for your account. From now on, after entering your password, you'll confirm your login from your phone, keeping your data safer with minimal extra effort. Keep your device secure, and if you ever replace your phone, return to these same settings to manage your authentication method. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added peace of mind that comes with a properly secured Xero account.